Ordered this e-bike 3 days ago. It's already here. Bargain price, £520. Is it worth it? Only one way to find out. Let's get into it. It's well packaged. Let's get it out into the shed. So I've got the version with the extended seat. Nice chunky old tyres. Right, let's have a look what we've got. So the seat extension, put that there out of the way. The front wheel. Oh, the headlight. Pretty cool looking. Okay, so tools, pedals, rear foot pegs, reflector, thumb throttle, and the quick release, is it a skewer? Something like that. Charger. Okay, manuals and what have you. Keys and the storage box. Also found the side stand that was strapped to the bike, so we've got to bolt that on too. First thing I'm going to do, let's get this battery off. Turn the key maybe. There we go. Get this plugged in. Handlebars on. Get a couple in there to hold it. Front wheel on. There you go. Right. Put the side stand on. Right, front mud guard on. Rear foot pegs on. Okay, just a note, I've had to rethread one of the captive nuts for the rear seat. It was, I don't know if they got a bit of weld in it or something maybe when they were putting it together. But lucky I've got a tap set, so it's not an issue. Yeah, that's much better. Right, so now we can get the rear seat on. Okay, so I just want to fit the headlight. This side, you know, normal hex nut. This side, right, it's like they forgot to machine it into a hex. Or is there a reason why it's not getting away to tighten up? Who knows? Either way, I'm going to have to put another bolt in there. Go and find one. Let's get this headlight on. Pedals on. wish I had the camera running a minute ago. I just tried tested it off camera, turned it on, and the horn button was stuck in. Right, that's really loud in here, I tell you. But anyway, right. Oh no, where's the button? There it is. It's like quite a nice display actually. Okay, first test, here we go. Oh, the Power Assist 1. Oh, there we go. 2's a bit of a more of a boost. Change gear, there we go. Right, let's try 3. Yeah, bang on 25 kilometers per hour. So yeah, at the minute it's in fully legal mode. Of course it would be. So yeah, just cruise along at 25 kilometers per hour. Probably should check the brakes. Yeah, they need some bedding in, but they'll be alright. Yeah, the Hedgehog didn't make it. Definitely noisier than my conversion though. Right, let's go in there. River's low. Killer brambles. Yeah, I'm going down a bit of gravel track now. Plenty smooth the suspension of the big fat tyres. Slight hill climb. Oh yeah, no worries. Right, so we're going to try a proper hill now. Right, this is a savage hill. So if it gets up here, we're all good. Yeah, not great. It's going up, but it's struggling a lot more than my conversion. Well, down to 17 kilometers per hour, whatever that is in miles per hour. Right, I was at 99% battery apparently. Sure, it went down to 94 a second ago, but it's gone up again. Straight into top gear. Oh, could do another couple of miles per hour here. good. Oh, river's low. It is tidal here, but it's just been no rain. When there's some more water, I have to see if there's any fish here. Over the cattle grids. Oh yeah, these fat tyres, like, hardly notice the cattle grid. So this is it, all put together. Those horrible reflectors have got to go on the wheels, haven't they? So I didn't show, I put the storage box, which basically goes in place of a second battery. It's quite handy though, put the bits and bobs in there. It's doing okay. I mean, it's certainly not that powerful, but I mean, for the money, it's not bad, is it? It's solid built. I mean, that is a steep hill I went up. Yeah, I know it's sometimes hard to tell on camera, but that is a savage hill, and it goes on and on and on. Let's still get up there. Yeah, you know, I think for the money, I think it's pretty good. We'll later on we'll find a private lane and we'll de-restrict it and see how it goes then. So at this point, a few of you are probably wondering how you unlock it. Now let me show you. So first we need to fit the throttle, which is, you know, simple. It's one bolt, and then it just plugs straight into the wiring loom there. With the bike turned off, I'm going to hold the brake and the throttle. Now turn it on for 8 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then release. And that should, well, that's actually, see, that's restricted it now because it was already unlocked. If I show you now, hold the brake, hold the throttle, turn it on, it'll flash. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and release. Ooh, turn the power assist up. And then it will shoot up. You won't be limited to 15.5 miles per hour anymore. And that's basically it. Okay, so I'm down a private lane now. See what it's like with the throttle on and unlocked. So, should we just get on with it? Okay, it's a little bit uphill this way, but let's get in top gear. So, see the speed, so it's uphill 17, 18, 19. Yeah, up slightly uphill, it's about it really, about 19, 20 miles per hour. Okay, slightly downhill. Let's give it a go, shall we? Here we go, 17, 19, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, corner. Yeah, 12, 27. 28, we've got 28. 28 and a half, I think that's actually a lot. You're just not getting any more out of it. Right, that's about it for this video. But thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please think about liking and subscribing, and hopefully I'll see you next time.